This is the future of the job market, or you can say that the billionaires. We are living in a time where the artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming every industry around us. But here's a big question: how do you get rich in this new era of AI? In this video, we explore the opportunities, strategies, and the reality of the building wealth with the AI in 2025. Let's say just like the internet revolution in 2000s and the social media boom in 2010, AI is the gold rush of the 2020. Analysts predict that by the 2030, AI will add over the $15 trillion to the global economy. The people who ride this wave now will create the empires tomorrow. And what's the new opportunities? So where are the opportunities? We can discuss about the business models that are creating the impact for them. First one is the AI powered freelancing. From copywriting to the video editing, AI tools now allow the individuals to serve the global clients with a lightning speeds. That is a good example for them. Then there is a startup built on the AI. From healthcare diagnosis to education platform, startups that integrate the AI are attracting the huge fundings. Like PE and VCs are mad about the fundings of the AI. Then there's the e-commerce and AI automations. Automated product search, chatbots, and the personalized marketing are reshaping the online businesses. That's a one thing like everyone is talking about. Then there's a content creation with the AI. Movies, music, digital arts, even the full businesses are being created by the AIs. So that's a power of the AI and the future of the AI as well. Next one is AI skill set, and you must learn. Skills are the new currency. To thrive in the 2025, here the must have the AI skills. First one is the prompt engineering. Knowing how to talk to the AI tools to get the better result. That is the good for you. Then there's a data analysis, like making the sense of the large amount of information. That is a one thing. Then there's the automation tool, learning the no-code AI platforms. This is the one thing like everyone is facing them. Then is the AI plus human creativity, blending AI's power with the unique ideas. That's a one thing of that everyone is asking about. How to actually make money with the AI in 2025? Let's break it down. How can you make the actual money right now? Start a side hustle, like use the AI for the social media management, video creation, or the copywriting. That's a good for everyone. Then second thing is build the digital products, AI generated ebooks, online courses, and design templates. That will be a good for you, like in the every generated things. Consulting and trainings. Teach small businesses how to use the AI for growth. That will be a good generative for you and the good alternative for everyone who is making sense by that. Then there's the AI investing, small algorithms for the stock trading, crypto, and the real estate analytics. That's a good for everyone who is making something in the AI. Then there's the entrepreneurship, launch AI driven apps for the niche market. That will be a good for you, like how to make it on the through by this big market. But here's the truth: not everyone will get rich. AI will also take the jobs. Routine, repetitive roles, customer support, basic data entry, even some creative fields are being automated, and the wealth gap may be wide, and people can adopt that. The new rules of the wealth in AI era. To get the rich in AI era, you must follow the new rules of the wealth creations. Leverage AI tools. Don't compete with AI, collaborate with it. Think globally with AI, geography no limits for you. Build the scale system. Use automation to grow without the extra cost, and the keep learning. AI will change monthly. Stay updated. So this will be good for that. The future of billionaires of tomorrow. The billions of next decade will not just be tech giants. They could be the freelancer, creators, entrepreneurs who understood how to use the AI before everyone do. So AI is the greatest wealth building opportunity of a lifetime, and the question is that will you watch from the sidelines, or you will ride the wave? These tools are the opportunities, and opportunities are endless, and the choice is yours. So let's meet in the next video for the more updates, and comment your thoughts about the AI. It will replace the jobs or not.